Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you a way that you can get your hashtag under 1 minute, because hashtag plays a minimum role in whether your video is going to go viral or not. Let's say hashtag plays like 5 to 15 or 20% role in maybe you are going to go viral or not. So I don't want you wasting time on your hashtag when you can be focused on things like your title, your description, your thumbnail, your content, your editing, your audio. You can be focused on many other things instead of wasting your time on hashtag. There is no magical hashtag anywhere. If you are thinking that let me just put this hashtag so that YouTube will push this video to more people, YouTube have said it themselves. They said hashtag plays minimal role in whether your video will get distributed anywhere or not. So you don't want to waste all your time looking for irrelevant hashtag everywhere, thinking of hashtag, using one day to just think of the kind of hashtag that you are going to include in your video. So before I tell you the place that you go, that you just take your video title to. Once you take your video title to the place, it's going to give you hashtag that people have used and worked for them. Like, it's going to give you all the hashtag. It's going to list the hashtag that got many views, that when people used those hashtag, they had many views on their video. So I'm going to be telling you the place that you're going to take your video title to that will give you many hashtags if you don't know. But before we get there, I want to first explain fully what your hashtag means, because hashtag is different from tags. So a lot of people confuse it with each other, especially new YouTubers. They confuse it. They used to think that, oh, but I'm putting hashtag in my video and nobody is still watching my video. Yes, let me first talk on your description box. Description box is a place whereby you put what your video is all about. Okay, I want to teach on how you can cook jollof rice now. Basmati jollof rice now. I want to tell you how you can cook it. In my video description box, I'm going to put it as how to cook basmati rice, and I'm also going to be explaining in this video how you can use it to make jollof rice and how you can use basmati rice to cook jollof rice and so on. And at the end of your description, always add 2 to 3 hashtags to your videos. The reason I said you should add 2 to 3 hashtags to your video, because anytime you go to a viral video, you meet a viral video on your feed, just go and check the description. You see that the person that uploaded that video added 1 or 2 or 3 hashtags to that video description. So always put an hashtag to your videos. At least 2 or 3 is okay. Don't just jam pack it. The highest you should put on your description is 3 hashtags. And the hashtag means like rice, because I'm talking about rice. Healthy meal, because I'm talking about how to cook healthy meal. To cook jollof rice, they don't know the kind of recipe, they don't know the food that they'll be using it to cook. So if you put like all these 3 hashtags, it's going to help that kind of a video. So it depends on the video that you are making that will determine the hashtag. Hashtag is just that short word, that keyword that you're going to be putting it. But the main keyword that you are using for your algorithm is all the keywords that are inside that description, not the hashtag really. Like in this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can cook unsalted basmati rice, and how you can use basmati rice to cook jollof rice. The keyword in that description is basmati rice. If you don't know, if anybody is searching for basmati rice, that video is going to definitely come up. If anybody is searching for unsalted butter or oil, because you wrote it in your description, that video is going to pop up for the person. Somebody is searching for how to cook jollof rice, definitely that video is going to be among the video YouTube is going to suggest. So you are teaching the algorithm what your video is all about with your description. So as from now on, don't ever upload your video without putting a description on it. And how you can get your description is by going to ChatGPT to get your video description. You can just put your video title there and tell ChatGPT to give you an optimized searchable video description for your YouTube video. So it's going to give you what you are going to be writing there. Because on here we work smartly, we don't work too hard. You see people working hard, spending like 10 years on YouTube and still yet they are not monetized. But here we work smartly, we work faster and smartly. So I'm going to be telling you another type of hashtag. That one I've talked about, that hashtag is different from these tags that I'm going to be now explaining that this video is all about. Because I don't want you to put too much time, too much stress in looking for the perfect hashtag. There is no perfect or magical word anywhere. Don't think that it is the hashtag that people are using that is making them go viral. YouTube have said it. It plays a minimal role in whether you are going to go viral or not. So there are other things that YouTube looks at that will determine if your YouTube video is going to go viral or not. So tags helps YouTube understand your video more. it helps them understand your video more. You know, I said with your video description, just put hashtag. That's short one, like jollof rice, food, cooking meal, healthy meal, just short words. That's the one that you put as your hashtag on your description. That's why you put hashtag in front of it, hash sign in front of it. So that one is different from this one that I'm saying. You don't want to stuff your description with many hashtag. Just use relevant and good keywords that people are going to be searching. The main topic, like, just if they tell you that describe your video in one word, what's the one word? That's the one word that you're going to be putting in it, in your hashtag, in your description box. When you are uploading your video, there is a part that YouTube will tell you to put your tags. And after you upload it safe, you can still go to your browser or your Chrome or your YouTube app or your YouTube studio to edit that particular video and put it there. You can still do it after uploading and during uploading your videos. So you can put your tags anytime. That's the section. And you can put 500 letters into that box. Our title is on how to cook jollof rice, like we said earlier, and we are using hashtag, one word hashtag, for our video description. On this place, you are going to be writing the full words so that when people are searching for that word, like how to cook jollof rice, now that's one out of the hashtag. How to cook basmati rice, that's another tag that you are going to put in the tag button, because anybody that is going on YouTube to search for how to cook jollof rice is going to show it to them. So instead of you just putting cook jollof rice, basmati rice, just putting one word, because there are many videos out there that are about cooking. YouTube does not know that the kind of food that you are cooking. It's just going to be showing it to people that are not interested in that particular food. That person is not searching for how to cook rice. So you have to put niche down in your tags, like how to cook basmati rice, how to cook jollof rice, how to cook rice, how to make healthy meal, how to do this, how to do that. So that's the kind of tags that you are going to be putting in your tag section. It's different from your description that you'll be adding one word tags. So if you want to optimize your video, this is another way where you can optimize your videos, because before you can complain that you're not seeing views, have you done everything humanly possible? Have you worked everything? It's not about working hard, it's about working smartly. Have you done the majority of the work before you can say YouTube is not pushing your video, YouTube is not pushing your video? You yourself, is your video okay? Did you let YouTube understand the kind of video it is? So this is another way that you can, if you are hearing SEO, search engine optimize, that's the meaning of it, SEO. People are searching, is it going to bring out your video? That's what SEO means. So you have to really work on your videos, and please don't trick the algorithm by putting irrelevant tags in your tag, whereby anybody that is going there, maybe instead of you to just put how to cook jollof rice, how to do this, you are now going out of the context, something that is not happening, because you want to have views, because you see that people are having views and they use this hashtag. You now go and put their hashtag there, you are not going to get views. You are triggering the algorithm. So the algorithm will not trust your hashtag. It's not going to be using it to show people your videos, because anybody that is even going to enter your video, they are going to be saying the wrong thing. On your hashtag, you are putting how to grow on YouTube, whereby you are teaching on how to cook jollof rice. So anybody that clicks on it will be like, they might even report your video. And if they are not reporting your video, the YouTube algorithm, you are telling them that, oh, see, people are just clicking on my video and clicking out. So no matter the views that you have low audience retention. So let me now show you where to get your tags from. Where you can go, you just take your title, copy your title and go and paste it there. Once you paste your title there, it's going to bring different tags for you, and you can just remove the one that you don't want. So let's go to my screen record, because you know here we teach practical aspects too. So I'll show you where you can go and how you can do it. So let's go. So you're going to go to any browser of your choice. You can make use of Chrome, UZ browser, Opera Mini, or any browser that you have on your phone. So you're going to search for rapidtags.io. Can you see rapidtags.io? Then you're going to search for it. You see what it's going to bring out for us. So can you see what it's bringing out? So you're going to click on use tag generator. Once you click on it, you're going to put your YouTube title here, the title that you copy, or you can just type it if you did not copy it. Let's just type for how to cook basmati rice. So can you see all the tags it's brought out for us? How to cook basmati rice, how to cook basmati rice in rice cooler, how to cook basmati rice on stove, how to cook. If there's any tag here that you don't like, or that you say that is not in line with or that you say that is not in line with what you are doing, you just click on that hex and it's going to remove it before you copy it. Or you can just go and you can copy it and remove it after you paste it on your video in your YouTube. But yeah, you can also cancel. Let's say I want to remove how to cook rice on stove like this. You just click on X. How to cook rice in Tamil. Maybe you just want to remove that one, so you click on it. So you keep removing till you see that it's perfect. Once you see that it's perfect, can you see these copy tags? That's where you're going to be clicking on. And once you click on it, it's showing copied. That means you're just going to go and paste it in the tag section. So you're just going to paste it there, and that's all for this. So let me just take you real quick to the tag section so that you can see that also. So let's say this is the video that I want to edit and put the tag on. So you're going to click on this edit part and you're going to click on show more. Once you click on show more, it's going to take you here. So you're just going to move to the tag section. This is the hard tag. Then you're going to paste all the tags that we copied on rapid tags. Once you paste it there, you can click on any part and you are going to see that the tag is already there. So you can just decide to close it. You can decide to remove anyone that you see that is not okay for you, or if you see that it's more than 500 over 500, you can just remove one or two till it's less than 500 in numbers. So this is all for this. Then you click on save before you go out from here. You have to save this thing. So your tag is there already. The next thing is to click on save here. Once you click on save, automatically you are done with that tag. Now that you've learned how to put your hashtag in your videos, how to use the description box, and how to add tags to your videos, are you going to be adding it in all your video? Let me know in the comment section. And after you finish adding it, let me know if it works for you. Come back to this video and give me feedback. Thank you for always coming back to my video, and have a wonderful day. Bye.